Hey, man. Dude.
What?
I was gonna make spiked cinnamon toast crunch milkshakes.
I can show you how to do that without Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Really?
Yeah, it's really easy. To build your adult Cinnamon Toast Crunch milkshake, you're going to start with 2 cups of the homemade no churn ice cream. For this, we're just using the vanilla variety. You can click on the link in the description below if you haven't seen that recipe. It's super easy. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of rum chata, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to pack it in with some graham crackers, and this is where we're going to get a lot of our cinnamon toast cereal flavor from. Now, if you have Cinnamon Toast Crunch, you can just go ahead and use that and subtract the cinnamon from the recipe. But if you don't have any Cinnamon Toast Crunch, or you have a bunch of graham crackers that you're looking to use, this is a great way to do it. Cap it off and blend it till it's smooth. If you ever want to thicken up your milkshake, you can always just throw the blender into the freezer for a little bit of time, and that'll thicken it right up. And you're going to pour your milkshake into your vessel of choice.
Which is the one that I chose.
Yep.
Because somebody stole my cinnamon toast crunch.
And cap it off with some whipped cream.
Yeah, the best. All right, give me a hit of that. Ah!
1 little morsel of cinnamon toast crunch.
Really? 1 little more of the last of no more cereal.
And the straw.
We'll see if this is any good. Oh! It's so good! It's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. No, you can't have any! Stay away. Paul's girlfriend while we're rolling. None for you now. You don't get any. You want to come say hi? Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.